What's up, YouTube? It's Teamus Wright, and this is my curly hair routine. I've recently combed my locks out, so check out my previous videos and subscribe to my channel. This is pretty much the final results of my curly hair routine, so if you like these results, then continue watching. The two products that I used were Eco Styler and Hawaiian Silky, and Hawaiian Silky is like my holy grail, bro. So I started off putting my hair into two sections and then making those two sections smaller sections. And after that, you want to start off, with wet hair. Always start off with wet hair. And I applied the Hawaiian Silky to give my hair a slip. And then I went in to detangle with my wide tooth comb. Most of the time I use my hands, but I just use the comb for this video. So after you add in the Eco Styler, you just go in and shingle your hair individually, pulling apart each piece where it naturally separates, I guess you can say, or just where you want to pull it apart. So in the very front, I twist it around my finger because my hair doesn't really curl in the front. And you're basically gonna do this process throughout your whole head. I need to throw in there that I didn't use oil. You have to make sure you use oil or your hair is gonna be dry. Like, my hair is dry right now doing this voiceover, and it's like 2 days later. So make sure you use your best oil, and you use your oil after you use your leave-in. So after the Hawaiian Silky, you use your oil. And you're just doing this process throughout your whole head, wetting your hair, Hawaiian Silky, leave-in conditioner, oil, and then you gel on top of everything. So this is a view of the back of my hair. It's more coarse than the front. I'm sure you guys can tell. Just showing a different texture for people with different textures. So you just basically do the same thing that you're doing in the front. You may twist it around your finger more because it's more coarse, more kinky. I say my hair is coarse because it is. Like, my hair is really thick. This is the final results of my curly hair routine. So if you like these results, then like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and join me on this natural hair journey.